How to download WhatsApp status on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You are now in the Communities page. Over here you can view all the communities you're added to on WhatsApp. Communities bring members together in topic-based groups. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Updates at the left corner. On this page, you can view your status as well as your friends' statuses. You can also view and going the various channels available below. Tap on your status as shown. If you want to download this status, then tap on the three dots beside it. And then, tap on Save. You have now successfully saved this status. Following these steps, you can easily download WhatsApp status on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.